In today's video, we will be unboxing Dyson Cyclone V10 Absolute Vacuum Cleaner. This is actually a made in Malaysia product, and this particular vacuum cleaner has been manufactured earlier this year itself. It comes along with 7 different attachments. The MRP that it has is 51,900, though it is available for a much lower rate when purchased directly either from Amazon or Dyson. If we talk about what's inside the box, it has got a Dyson V10 vacuum cleaner, a battery charger, a docking station, 7 accessories and attachments, and an operations manual. However, I purchased this vacuum cleaner as part of a deal where I also received 3 additional attachments. But more on that later. Now, without any delay, let's unbox this vacuum cleaner and see what's inside this box. So here you have the Dyson Cyclone V10's box in complete size. It is actually quite a heavy box, and while taking it out, a couple of my instruments also fell apart. So make sure that when you're taking it out, you have a help at hand. Now let's unbox this further and take out the beauty that is there inside it. So this particular vacuum cleaner is actually very powerful. It was one of the top line vacuum cleaner up until a couple of years back. The Dyson has subsequently introduced V11 as the new line of vacuum cleaner in India. However, I still purchased this V10 because it was at a great deal, as well as the features that it came along were really nice. So here you have it in the box, the various accessories that come along with it, and an operating manual. So let's keep the operating manual aside. It talks about how you can do the assembly and various instructions, and how do you need to attach the various attachments. Here are the first couple of attachments. There's a brush in here, and there is a sucking nozzle over here. You can see that, and more on it later on. The next thing in this box is the stick, which is purple in color because I bought a purple colored one. Let's keep that aside and we'll use it when we are attaching it. Here are a few more accessories. So you can see 2 accessories we have taken out already. This is the charging cable that comes along with it, and we'll use it to charge our Dyson vacuum cleaner. So here is the powerful gun, and let's keep this aside. Check out the rest of the accessories as well. So this is the main brush. This is the heavy big brush we have, and this is the other roller brush. Actually, both seems to be of the same size. Interesting. Okay, we'll see what the use of each one of these a bit later on. And here we have the last set of accessories. So we took out 5 earlier and then 2 brushes, and here is one more brush. This is a smaller roller brush, and we now have this last accessory. Let's see what this is. This is also a cleaning brush. So here in full glory you have the Dyson V10 machine along with its 7 accessories and the extension cord, and you have got the charging port. The docking station, I've kept it aside because that's what I'm going to be installing, and I'll cover a separate video about how you can install it. Coming out of the box, the Dyson V10 machine is on the minimum power, and you can put it in 2 different modes. You can put it at the medium as well as the maximum suction power. With maximum suction power, the company claims that it works for approximately 6 minutes, whereas for medium and for minimum, it works much longer than that. So use the maximum suction power if you have to really clean the dirt from the places where it is very dirty. Otherwise, use the medium or minimum suction power, and it still is very heavy. I simply love the voice that comes, or the noise that it makes. Putting an accessory is very easy. You just need to take the accessory and plug this in over here in the nozzle, and that's about it. And to take out any accessory, you just need to press this button and take that out. Cleaning the dust is also very easy. What you need to do is you need to pull this. It is called targeted dust cleaning system. So you need to put this on top of the place where you need to take the dust out. You need to click this downwards, and then it comes out. All the dust will directly go into your bin and nothing will come out. and to close it back, all you need to do is you just need to press it, and that's done. The filter is over here, which the company says that you should be cleaning with cold water at least once in a month. But that's about it for now. In the future videos, I will also be covering what are the 3 other accessories that I have bought along with it. How do you use this Dyson V10 to clean your home, and whether it is actually that powerful as the company claims, and why it is loved by so many people. That's all that I have in the video today. If you like this video, click on the like button, subscribe to the channel for more such engaging videos. So stay tuned and have a great day ahead.